To define your curls, you need to go in sections, apply gel, water, and apply oil to avoid flaking, and go in section just like what I'm doing, stretching your hair. Then the curls will pop up, guys. See how it's coming out. This is a Chinese bang afro curly. How do we name it? What are we gonna name it, guys? A wash and go hairstyle using mousse instead of gel. So I'm just applying my mousse and then I'm twisting the hair so that when it dries, like now it dried, so I'm just unraveling the twist. So when you unravel the twist, the hair had added volume. Then I'm using my silk scarf just to style the hair, guys. You should try this quick and easy hairstyle for anywhere. You can use it for office, you can use it for casual, you can use it for any occasion, guys. African hairstyle. So to achieve this edges, I'm using the gel wax instead of gel. So the gel wax is for dreadlocks. You can use shine and jump for this. So with the comb it will be easier for you more than the brush. So I am pushing my hair down and back. I push hair down and backward, down and backward, just to define the line. There's nothing hard or difficult about this, so it's good for beginners. See the outcome. I'm very impressed with the outcome.